Space is big, really big, and it's full of fascinating objects. One type of object is an asteroid. Asteroids are like giant rocks, some as small as a car and others as big as a city. They are leftovers from the early solar system, remnants of a planet that never quite formed. Imagine a giant construction site with leftover bricks and rubble. That's kind of what the asteroid belt is like. Most asteroids live in a giant ring between Mars and Jupiter called the asteroid belt. It's like a cosmic highway with millions of these space rocks zipping around the sun. But not all asteroids stay in the belt. Sometimes they get nudged out of their orbit by the gravity of Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. These rogue asteroids can then end up on paths that cross Earth's orbit. It's like playing a cosmic game of billiards with planets and asteroids as the balls. While it might sound scary, the vastness of space means that collisions are rare, but they have happened before and they could happen again. How do we even know about these asteroids? Well, thankfully, we have some very smart people called astronomers who dedicate their lives to studying space. They use powerful telescopes, both on Earth and in space, to scan the skies. These telescopes act like giant eyes, peering into the darkness and looking for any moving objects. They take pictures of the night sky over time, and by comparing these pictures, astronomers can spot anything that's moving against the background of stars. That moving object could be an asteroid. Once an asteroid is spotted, astronomers carefully track its movement. They use math and physics to calculate its orbit and predict where it will be in the future. They also try to determine the asteroid's size, shape, and composition. This information helps us understand the potential risk an asteroid might pose. The possibility of an asteroid hitting Earth is a popular topic for movies and books. But is it really something we should be worried about? The answer is yes, but with a caveat. While asteroid impacts are rare, they can have devastating consequences. Remember the dinosaurs? They were wiped out by a massive asteroid impact millions of years ago. That impact caused widespread destruction, including massive earthquakes, tsunamis, and wildfires. It also released huge amounts of dust into the atmosphere, blocking out the sun and causing a global cooling effect. Now, the good news is that scientists are constantly monitoring the skies for potentially hazardous asteroids. And as we'll see in the next section, they're developing ways to deflect asteroids that might pose a threat to Earth. Section 4. Planetary defense. Can we stop a cosmic bullet? So, what can we do about potentially dangerous asteroids? It might sound like something out of a science fiction movie, but scientists are working on ways to protect our planet from asteroid impacts. This field of study is called planetary defense. One idea is to use a spacecraft to nudge an asteroid off course. If we can detect an asteroid early enough, even a small nudge could change its trajectory enough to make it miss Earth. It's like playing a cosmic game of pool using a spacecraft as our cue stick. Another idea is to use a laser to vaporize part of the asteroid's surface. This would create a jet of gas that would act like a rocket engine, pushing the asteroid off course. It's like giving the asteroid a gentle but firm push in a different direction. These ideas might seem far-fetched, but they are based on sound scientific principles. And as our technology continues to advance, we'll be even better equipped to protect our planet from these cosmic threats. Section 5. The future of our pale blue dot. Why asteroid research matters. The study of asteroids is more than just a scientific curiosity. It's about understanding our place in the cosmos and protecting our home planet from potential threats. By learning more about asteroids, their composition and their movements, we can better prepare for the future. Asteroid research also has the potential to unlock new discoveries about the early solar system and the origins of life on Earth. Some scientists believe that asteroids may have brought water and other essential ingredients for life to our planet billions of years ago. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, remember that it's not just a beautiful sight to behold. It's a vast and dynamic arena where cosmic events unfold, some of which could have a profound impact on our planet. By supporting asteroid research, we're investing in our future and ensuring that Earth remains a safe and habitable planet for generations to come.